after wishing you all the best in your coming exams. I know you will pass, because passing starts with the spirit. You are in high spirits. We brought you here so that you work as a team. And that's why, going forward, we want to make this program sustainable. It should not be a project to kumaliza form 4, those who from 2 to kumaliza ikuwe that's all. I want us to register an academy whereby all of us will belong. So that when you succeed, you contribute to a kitty to assist the less fortunate. Because you should not forget where you come from. I started this program basically because I saw many cases, even of attempted suicide. I tried to rescue some by paying from my pockets, but I saw it's not sustainable. Some are going to good schools. They could not join because of funds. They could not join even around because around also requires some lunch and some capitation. So I sat down and said, okay, if we are to build an equal society, then we have to address this issue of poverty. And the only issue, the fastest way you can address poverty is to provide opportunities for education. I repeat, opportunity for education. It's not my duty to make you pass, but it's my social responsibility to have selected you because of the condition you are faced with, so that you get the opportunity to succeed. And you know, education is the only equalizer. I know we have students here from community schools here, some from Alliance, some from Man. I know students, some from extra county schools, some from Masino, some from St. Mary's Yara, some from Cardinal. It does not matter which school you are. Apart from a school which is a day school, but you always get A's from there. And once you get A, you are not in the field of any other A country. So it's up to you once you get the opportunity to utilize it and then think how you can return to society. That's the opportunity I want to give you to belong to an academy wherever you go. If you succeed, you are a managing director of our company to raise funds to assist the students. A lot of debates that bursaries will not be there, but I will still want to pay, whether it's very legal or not, because you already the problem. Passing is not the end. Me, I always tell you, you just be a good person. Be a good person. Be a good person. Namna hiyo, angalia mwenzako not from the negative side. Because we all have weaknesses. But if you are kind of a person who is going to judge your fellow friend, always from the negative side, also remember its positives. Once we form an academy, we want each ward, we make champions or mentoring others. Not giving them money, mentor them, so that they can think for themselves and they make money. They will not out of money. You are beyond you, but try your part and watch. Ukiendelea mbele namna hiyo, I think you will have changed the society. Nyamira will be accounting for everybody and for each of us. I'm very happy, and in my heart, this is my biggest project. This is my biggest project. Not to kutengeneza barabara, not to knock a down. This is my biggest project, and I think from next year January we will start with the senior school. Wale ambao wawezena tutaangalia, usually we form committees, you know, they select those who are notable and we come in to assist. We want this project to continue forever and ever. You revenue, another way, by paying any tax on your income. So umesikia ya pili ni kwamba production services, goods and services. If you are producing services to sell, like service you have an M-Pesa kiosk, you are providing a service. You have an hotel, you are providing a room or food, that's a service. And you make money from there. After meeting all expenses, you save. After you save, is when you can develop. You can start a project, and that's how a country becomes rich or poor. So it's up to you, as you leave school, next few months. Passing is on and not the end. Me, I always tell you, you just be a good person. Be a good person. Huh? Be a good person. Namna hiyo, angalia mwenzako not from the negative side. Because we all have weaknesses. But if you are a kind of a person who is going to judge your fellow friend, always from the negative side, also remember its positives.